Images can say a lot of words. In fact, images can say 1,000 words in less than few minutes than you reading a very long description about your website. So the images you put on your website goes a long way in what? In helping people to understand whatever goes on in your company. So if you have photographs of yourself, or if you have your own photographs, that is fine. But if you don't have your own photographs, there are stock images company. What they do is they sell images for you to use on your website. What you have to be careful about is that all images come with some copyright attached. Not every picture you see on the internet is free to use or to commercialize or to even tamper. So if you are looking for images, correct images, there are good stock images companies I will recommend. The first one is iStockPhoto. The iStockPhoto.com. You can get very good images over there. I think there's a free account and there's a paid one. Try and register on it, and then you can choose. You can filter by going through career images. If you want pictures about a chef or about a doctor or about a plumber to use on your website, about a designer, you can go and then subscribe and then pay some few dollars to be able to use their images. And then there's another one, which is what? GettyImages.com. At Getty Images too, they also have a payment plan. You can go get an account over there. They even have videos for you to download. The moment you download it, you have the right to use it on your website for free, so that you can get control of whatever images you are using. Don't use a copyrighted images on your website for free, because it can land you into serious trouble. SXC.hu also bring you to freeimages.com. I think they have redirected their website. And then the last one is Fotolia. Fotolia also take you to stock.adobe.com. However, you can also do the traditional search of images. So you can go to images.google.com. Let's do it. Images.google.com. If you do this in your address bar, and then you are looking for a particular image, let's say you are looking for a doctor, you just type in a doctor. When you type in a doctor, you come to your settings. It doesn't mean you can just use any of them. You can see each of the picture comes from a particular website. So these are the links we spoke about. So Free Pick, this is from Balance Careers, this is from Calling Dictionary. So you can come to your settings and then go to your advanced search. We are going to look for images we can use for free without getting into trouble. You can come to the usage rights. At this place, you can choose Creative Commons licenses and you click on advanced search. After you have filtered it this way, the images that display now can be used for free. These ones are the ones you can use for free. The one from StockSnap.io, free SVG, any image you want to use on your website. Try and get the one that has been licensed to be used for free. You can get a lot. Let's say I'm looking for a school to use an image of a school. I have to come to my settings, choose my advanced search, and then scroll down to the usage rights, choose Creative Commons licenses, and then click on advanced search. Now these ones are images we can use without getting into trouble. Do not use any copyrighted image. Like I said, images too must be relevant. You don't just post images on your website. They have to be relevant. they have to convey the right mood, they have to carry a lot of information to be able to support your test. It has to be what, it has to also fit into a palette. Don't just be designing without having the color impression. All your designs must be on point, and then you'll be able to use those images that are what, licensed to be used for free, or you subscribe and pay to a stock images company to get the right images to be able to describe or to carry the information you want it to carry. Most of the free ones wouldn't carry the right information you want. Okay, like this, probably you are in Africa, you want a black child, and then you are only seeing fair, and but you don't want this as well. So this limits you. Okay, it limits you as to the number of pictures you can get for free. But if you subscribe to the stock companies, you you'll be sorted. They have almost every picture that suits almost every career or situation in life. They have that for lifestyle, they have for entertainment, they have pictures for everything, even food.